Hello and welcome to the next instalment of St. Peter's Summer School online course. I hope you are still enjoying it as much as I am. I really love science and I want you to too. Okay, today I would like you to look in your workbook and go back to page 2. What are plants? We need to read this so that we can do the answers for today's lesson. Okay, so if everybody can look at page 2, plants are living things. Now, I have underlined plants in red because you need to remember this word to do the worksheet. If you want to, you too can underline it. Underline the word, okay? Next, living things grow and change. So they get bigger, they get more colorful. Next one, seeds. Seeds from plants grow into new plants. So we need to remember seeds grow into plants. So you can underline seeds. Okay. If we look at this one, this is page 3 now that we did. All plants do not look the same. So we need to remember they are not the same because this is an answer in your book. Okay. Where do plants live? Plants live all over Earth. So they live everywhere. They live in forests. They live in the desert. They live on mountains. They live under the water. Okay? So they live everywhere on Earth. They have parts that help them live in different places. Okay. Some plants live in the hot, dry desert, like this. Ooh. These plants live in the hot, dry desert. Okay? They have thick skin and spines to help them live there. Okay, so they don't have big leaves, they have very small spiky leaves so they can stay alive in the sunlight. Okay, the last one is in a rainforest. Okay, it rains a lot in the rainforest. Rainforest plants have leaves that help them live in wet places. Okay? So their leaves help them live in wet places. Okay? And rainforest leaves grow large to get sunlight. Okay, so they have very big leaves to catch the sunlight under the trees. Okay, so what happens when we grow a seed from an adult plant? So after the flower has grown, we call it an adult plant, which means it is big. Like your mum, she is an adult. So when the seed falls down to the ground, Here's the seed. It will start to grow, and it will grow bigger and bigger and bigger until it is the same as the adult. Can you say same as adult?
Same as adult.
Okay, so the seed will be the same as the adult. So this is the adult, the seed grows, and they are the same. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Right, now we will go and look at the worksheet. Okay, so if you turn to your page in your workbook, you will see the questions on what are plants. What are plants? And we will need to look through the book to find the answers. Okay, so question 1. Just like you are living things. Can you look at page 2 quickly and find the answer? I underlined it in red in my book. In my book, plants are living things. So the answer is plants. So we need to write plants. Did you get that one?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, the next question, or the next sentence that we need to do, it says, from plants grow into new plants. So if you go back to page 2, and we will find that sentence in your book. Okay. Can you see the sentence that I'm looking for?
Yes.
Okay. Is it this one? Living things grow and change?
No.
No. Seeds from plants grow into new plants. Is that correct?
Yes.
Awesome. You are correct. And if we go to our book, here we go. From plants grow into new plants. So the answer is, everybody?
Seeds.
Seeds. Well done. The answer is seeds. Right. Okay, so number 3. Let's look at number 3. The seeds will make a new plant that looks like the plant. So the seed falls down and it grows into a new plant the same as plant. Okay? The answer is the adult plant. So the big plant, it will grow into a plant the same as the adult. Okay, so if we look at question number 4, it says, not all plants look the... Okay, so we need to look at page 3 to find the answer. So can you look at page 3? And here we are. On page 3, what does it say? Can we read it together?
Yes.
All plants do not look the same. Okay, so same, not the same. So if we come back to our question, not all plants look the same. So number 4, we have same. Did you get it correct?
Yes.
Well done. Okay, Number 5. Where do plants live? Plants live almost everywhere on where? Right, we need to look at page 4 in your workbook, okay? If we look at page 4, where do plants live? Plants live all over Earth. So, planet Earth. They live everywhere. Up the mountains, in the rivers, in the oceans, in the jungles, in the forests. So, plants live all over Earth. Here we go. Plants live almost anywhere on Earth. And so we have to write Earth. Everyone get that one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to look at number 6. It's talking about the part of a plant. Plants have that help them live in different habitats. Okay, if we look at page 4, we can see a cactus plant. Now they live in the hot desert. Can you see they are spiky? These are called spines to help them live there. So these are the leaves. You can see the leaves of the cactus. Okay? If we look over on the next page, rainforest leaves grow large to get sunlight, and leaves that help them live in wet places. So the answer we are looking for is leaves. Okay, and you can see many different leaves in the rainforest. Okay, so plants have leaves that help them live in different habitats. Okay, good. Right. Where a plant lives is called a habitat. So, if we look at number 7, a habitat is the place where plants get what they need to live. So the answer for number 7 is habitat, okay? Okay, and if we look at the last one for number 8, what is it like in a rainforest? Can we see this word here? Rainforest.
Rainforest.
Rainforest, okay. It rains a lot in the rainforest.
In the rainforest.
So a rainforest is a wet place.
Wet place.
Okay, so the rainforest is a wet place. Okay, so what habitat is very wet?
Rainforest.
The rainforest. Okay. Okay. Has everybody finished writing their sentences?
Yes.
Okay, so that concludes our third lesson in the St. Peter's Summer Course Online. I will see you next time for the next video. Bye-bye everyone. Thanks. Bye.